in the past don't matter now. What matters what we got. It's up to us about tomorrow.
قلبي ما هليلو درسني ما دورو على انا دايرو شرف دايرتونا ولا
Let's just pray for the better, hope for the better.